Hello my students, grade 5, how are you? Today we'll solve model number 7 from Math Questions Bank, الدقهليه government, second term. Choose the correct answer. The fraction 1 over 7 nearest to benchmark at 0. It will be nearest to 0. To find the value of A in the equation, B subtract 7 and 2 over 9 equal 4 and 1 over 9. We used here asked about value of B. Okay, this unknown B will be A. Okay, he asked about this value about unknown, we must eat them. He asked about value about unknown word, here we called it median. B here median. To find the median you must eat subtrahend to the difference. We must using addition. To find the value about unknown here you must using addition. Okay, 3 times 2 over 5, it will be 6 over 5. It will be 1 and 1 over 5. 3 times 2 over 5, it will be 6 over 5. 6 divided by 5 equals 1 and the remainder 1. 3 over 5 multiplication by 5 over 3, it will be 1. The result here will be 1. 1 is greater than 3 over 5. You must choose greater than, because the result between them it will be 1. 5 over 3 multiplication by 3 over 5 equal 1. 1 greater than 3 over 5. The opposite figure here we called it what? Straight line. Straight line. The measure of acute is less than space acute angle is less than 90. The circular degree that match the fraction circular here 1 over the total number 1 over 6 sixes of 360, it will be what? 6's multiplication by the total number, again 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have here one part from 6 multiplication by 360 equals 60 degree. Then this part will be 60. You must write here 60, cancel this digit, cancel the result here and write 60 only. Okay my students, the result here will be 60. Okay, understood? Cancel this number and write 60 only here. Write 60 because this part represents sixes of the measure of accretive angle of the circle here equals 360. 360 divided by 6 equals 60 degree. Write 60 here. If the estimation of 5 over 8 plus 7 over 10 is 1, then it's called underestimation or overestimation. We can find the actual number to comparing between actual number and estimation. 5 over 8 plus 7 over 10. We know the least common multiplication between 10 and 8 equal what? Equal 40. 10 plus 10, 20. Can't divide it by 8. 30 can divide it. 40 can divide it. Then we can write 40 here in the numerator. 8 times 5 equal 40. 5 times 5 equal 25. 4 times 10, 40. 4 times 7 equal 28. And the result will be 40 here. 8 plus 5 equal 13. 3 and the carry up 1. 3 plus 2 equal 5. 53 over 40. We must comparing between the actual number and the estimation. He gives the estimation here 1. And we know 53 over 40 is greater than 1. So this estimation will be under. We must write under estimation because the estimation 1 less than the actual number. Question 3. If 4 over 9 multiplication half equal 2 over 5, then 4 multiplication 1 over and 1 over 2. We can use the here distributive properties. 4 over 5 multiplication 1 and half, it will be 4 over 5 multiplication by 1 plus 4 over 5 multiplication by half. We know the result here 4 over 5, and 4 over 5 multiplication half, 2 divided by 2 equal 1 and 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 1 times 2 equal 2, 1 times 5 equal 5. The result will be 6 over 5. 6 over 5 we can convert it from improper to mixed number. Write 5 in the numerator, 6 divided by 5 equal 1 and the remainder 1. The result will be 1 and 1 over 5. If 1 over 6 divided by b equal 1 over 6, then b equal 1. b here equal 1 because 6 divided by 1 equals 6. The two space lines never intersection. The two parallel lines never intersection. Two parallel lines. Question number 6. When the bullet order pair 7 and 4 is in the coordinate plane, we move horizontal about what? Horizontal about x-axis. It will be 7. Write 7 here. 7 horizontal units of x-axis. Okay. Write 7 here. Okay, my students. The square base pyramid has base edges. We can count 4 sides or edges in the base, and we can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So the total edges about square base pyramid will be 8 edges. 8 edges. The friction here in the part here we have one part colored from 6 parts. We must write 1/6 here in this space. Choose the correct answer. The two friction with like denominator and equivalent force and third equal. 3 times 4 equal 12, 3 times 1 equals 3, 4 times 1 equal 4, and 3 times 4 equal 12. The result will be 3/12 and 4/12. Question number 2. 5th divided by 7. Write 5th here and multiplication verse about 7/7. It will be 1 times 1 equal 1 and 5 times 7 equals 35. Letter B. Okay. 7.5 subtract 5/6. We can convert this fraction about list multiplication between 2 and 6 equals 6. 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 1 equals 3, subtract 5 and 5/6. 3 minus 5, we can't do it, so we must borrow 1 from 7 will be 6, and 1 equals 6/6 plus 3/6 equals 9/6. Subtract 5 and 5/6, 6 minus 5 equal 1, and you can write 6 in the numerator here. 9 minus 5 equal 4, and you can complete this example by simplest 4 and 6. 4 divided by 2 equal 2, and 6 divided by 2 equal 3. The result will be 1 and 2/3. Letter C, the result. Question 4. The division problem that express the following situation: 4 large-sized cake charged by 7 students. It will be 4 divided by 7, because we divided 4 cakes by 7 students. 4 divided by 7. A figure that has 2 pairs parallel sides and has right angle, we call it rectangle. All angles equal in measure. The measure of each one of them equal 90 degrees. It will be right angle. Okay, so we must choose rectangle. The distance between K and T equal. K here equal 3 and T equal 1.5. We have here T and K. It's T and K. T traverses 1.5, and K is 3 because he ate half in all straight line. Half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. We can find the difference between them. 3 subtract by 1.5, it will be 1.5. Okay. The horizontal layers in the corresponding figure equal. How many layers? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 layers here. Answer the following question here. Sarah owns a plot of land that collectives 3/4 feet and 5/12 from an area of land rise. What is the total collective part of the plot area? Total, we can find the sum of them. 3/4 and 5/12. Write 12 in the numerator. The least multiplication between them equal 12. 3 times 4 equal 12. 3 times 3 equal 9. 9 plus 5 equal 14. 14/12. We can simplify it divided by 2 it will be 7 over 6, and we can simplify it, convert it from improper to mixed number. 7 divided by 6 equal 1 and the remainder 1, so the result will be 1 over 6, the total clothed part of the bullet area. Okay, question number 2. Nadine reads from her favorite books 2/3 hour daily, and if she reads the books within 12 days, how many hours did she read the books? We can find the total by multiplication then, because she read 2/3 hour daily, and daily it's meaning all day. Saturday 2/3 hour, Sunday, Monday, all day. We want to find how many books she read within 12 days. We can write 2 over 3 hours, multiplication by 12 days, and simplest it. 12 divided by 3 equal 4, 2 times 4 equal 8. Then she will read 8 hours from the book. Okay, next question here. Ahmed has a herb garden that is 15 units long and 5th unit wide. What its area? Its area meaning length multiplication by width, about rectangle length multiplication by width. Fifth here, its width multiplication by length here was 15. 15 times 1 over 5 equal 3, and we can write here space about area square units. Okay, the result will be 3 square units. The volume of the opposite figure equal cubic centimeter. Here we can find the volume about this part first. Here about cubic, here is cuboid. We have cuboid, 2 cuboid. Okay, look at here about this cuboid. We have length and width and height, and this cuboid 12 volume 1 will be 12 multiplication by 2 multiplication by 3, and volume 2, look at here the height here 10. Okay, and the base 12. 12 subtract by 8 equal 4. This side will be 4. Then you can write 4 length. Okay, and width was 2. 4 times 2 times 10. And then you can add the volume 1. 12 times 2 equal 24 times 3. 3 times 4 equal 12. 2 and carry up 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1 equals 7. It will be 72 cubic centimeter. And volume 2 here, 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 10 equal 80 cubic centimeters. Since the total volume, the volume of the opposite figure, total volume will be 72 plus 80. 0 plus 2 equal 8, equal 2. 8 plus 7 equal 15. The result will be 152 cubic centimeter.